Welcome to Thermomix Thursday. I'm running a little bit late today, but that is all good. I am making a bechamel sauce. I actually had to just jump onto Google and find out how do you actually say that, because I know it as a white sauce, and this is actually one of the most incredible things that I think about what a Thermomix does is that you can just put all the ingredients for the bechamel sauce into the Thermomix and walk away and come back 10 minutes later and it is perfect, thick, and ready to go. My name is Wick Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. And I don't know, for you, when I grew up, went to home ec, you know, you had to melt the butter, add the flour, make a roux, and then slowly add the milk, and you'd sometimes get it lumpy, not get it right. It just blows my mind that I can actually just chuck all the ingredients into the Thermomix and it does it all for me. And I also love that you can just scroll down and you can choose the different serving size that you want to do. So I'm doing 600 grams, but you can go 300, 400 or 1100. So like if you're making a really big one, you can do a massive white sauce. Or there's a cheese bechamel as well. So I'm just going to show you what it has to do. This is also why I love having two bowls, because when I'm making a lasagna, for example, which I'm doing tonight, I'm going to make the white sauce in this and then I'll keep it in there and let it cool down. When I'm ready to put it together, I will just bring it back on here and use the warm up feature, heat it up. But I'll just make my mince mixture in my second bowl, and it's absolutely fantastic. That's why you need two bowls. The two bowl offer is only on until the 27th of March. Which is Tuesday next week, I think. So if you're thinking about it, sitting on the fence, this is one of the reasons why you need two bowls. Okay, I'm going to start cooking and add in my butter, 40 grams of butter. Literally, you just chuck everything into the bowl and walk away. Okay, flour, I've got everything measured out just for the, demo purposes, but normally it just will measure it for you. So you don't have to have everything. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you can chuck the cheese in at this stage if you want to, or at a later stage. Some nutmeg, always love a little bit of nutmeg. Pinches, and then it says to place the simmering basket, which I didn't get out, but I just have this. This is your simmering basket. Chuck it on top, and you just put it onto thicken mode because it's all preset. So that's going to take around 10 minutes. Amazing. I now can. I'm going to have some lunch, and I can walk away and not have to stand over it, not have to worry about it burning on the bottom or going lumpy, and then I can set it aside and then make my mince mixture for the base. And then a lot of people think, well, then what do you do with it? Because it doesn't cook the lasagna. It doesn't at all. So I layer it on my dish and then I cook it in the oven. But I can grate all the cheese in there, and as I say, make the bechamel sauce or a white sauce or the mince mixture and using my two bowls. And it's saving me time, it's saving me money, it's just saving me because I know exactly what I'm having for dinner tonight. So if you are thinking about getting the Thermomix, now is the time, because they've got that double bowl offer for only $49. Normally $429, and that finishes on the 27th of March. So message me or comment below and I can share more details about that. What do you love about having two bowls? I'd love you to comment below to tell me what you love about having two bowls. Okay, see you later. Bye.